Once upon a time, there was a shepherd named Gyges, who found a magic ring that could make him invisible. No one could see him, so he used the magic ring to do unkind, unethical things, such as steal, lie, and bully about money, only because he could get away with it. Suppose you had a magic ring. Would your behavior change? Why or why not? One rainy evening, let's say you attend a friend's birthday party, where everyone must remove their shoes. You leave your favorite designer boots or sneakers on their porch. When you're ready to leave, your sneakers or boots are gone. Several other shoes are there in your shoe size, but are ugly. Remember, it's pouring and rainy. What should you do? In this lesson, you will explore ethics, or having character, doing the right thing when no one is looking. I'm Ethan. See ya. Don't forget, learn, earn, save, invest, and donate.